Question 4. If 3 raised to power open bracket 6 minus 9x close bracket equals to 27 raised to power 1 minus 2x, find the value of x. And we have the option here. Here is an exponential equation. We have 3 open bracket raised to power 6 minus 9x close the bracket equals 27 open bracket 1 minus 2x. Now, if you have this kind of question, this is an exponential equation. Here, the base here is 3, the base here is 27. All we need to do is we need to rewrite. That means here we are going to have 3 to be 3 open bracket 6 minus 9x close the bracket, and here 27 is going to be 3 raised to power 3 bracket 1 minus 2x. In this case, the bases are the same. What we do is what? We equate the power. When we equate the power, we are going to have open bracket 6 minus 9x is equals to 3 open bracket 1 minus 2x. Here, which this is the same thing as 6 minus 9x is equals to 3 times 1, 3. 3 times minus 2, that's minus 6x. Then from here, we collect like terms. Then here we are going to have 6 minus 3. This will come to meet this. Then you have equals to minus 6x. Minus 9 comes out, so we have plus 9x. 6 minus 3 will give us 3. And this minus 6x plus 9x is going to give us 3x. Then in this case, we have 3x is equals to 3. The question asks us to find the value of x. So we divide both sides by 3. Then we have 3x over 3 is equals to 3 over 3. Then x is equals to 3 over 3, and that's going to give us 1. That means the value of x is 1, and that is option C. Ṣó le, kò le.